Hello, bibili tayo ng MREIT today. Meron na akong shares ng MREIT pero this is an opportunity to add more kasi long term naman yung plano ko for MREIT. It's for my dividend investing strategy. Okay, I'll show you. Let me show you why I'm getting it. Why I'm getting more MREIT shares. So I just recently looked at the chart siguro a few days ago. So, napansin ko na may massive dip. Hindi ko alam kung correction to. Tingnan natin yung long-term view of MREIT. And also makikita nyo may mga yellow lines. Yellow line and blue line dyan. I-explain ko yan mamaya. Those are my buy signals. Tapos, let me show you my budget tracker. In this budget tracker, mayroon akong trading journal. Let's see kung kailan ko huling binili yung MREIT. So, bumili ako noong 2021 for IPO subscription. Next, last nabili ko ng MREIT ay 2022. Okay. So, today is Friday, September 19. And we will be averaging down. Ano oras na? 9:23. So, a few minutes before market open. So, explain ko muna quickly kung bakit ako bibili and ano yung buy signals ko. Nandito ako sa Instagram na page. If I click on this indicator, may MACD plus RSI indicators ako. So, first of all, yung yellow is 50 MA. Sorry kung medyo shaky and maingay yung sound. Ito lang yung proof na super raw nitong videos ko in my new channel, Kuya Rap Extra. Okay, so going back. 50 MA. Excuse me. Palitan ko lang yan. So, 50 MA. Tapos yung blue is 200 moving average. So, yellow is 50 MA. Blue is 200. So, first buy signal ko is dapat mas mataas yung 50 or yung yellow sa blue. So, check. That's the first buy signal. Second buy signal would be RSI. RSI over here. So, merong overbought saka oversold RSI. Nasa oversold region na si RSI. Kaya, yeah, that's my second buy signal. Tick siya. Third buy signal, MACD naman. MACD means moving average convergence divergence. Ang buy signal ko naman dito is dapat mas mababa yung blue sa red. And bonus na lang kung nasa baba sila ng graph, ng x-axis. So, check din. Balik tayo sa tracker ko. Dati bumibili ako ng hanap lang tayo ng itong example. Ito, EEI. Bumili ako ng EEI noon. So, na-tick din yung tatlong buy signals ko. 50 MA is more than 200 MA or higher. Oversold RSI. And then MACD is below signal. So, yun yung gagawin ko today. So, let me just zoom out and type that entry. 19. Anong date niyan? Ay, joke. 19, tama. September 2025. Low, buy, tapos, copy ko lang to. Excuse me. Copy ko lang to. So, hindi ko pa siya na-execute kasi close pa yung market. Let's see. Paano ba ito ipapakita? Sige, switch na lang ako to screen recording para mas makita nyo. Ayan. So, hopefully, nagre-record na yung screen. And, babalik ko naman tong camera para makita nyo ako. Please ignore the music. Please ignore the noise. I mean, layo ko lang ng konti. Actually, baka i-pause ko muna since maghintay naman tayo ng 3 minutes para magbukas na yung market. Let's see. Yan. So, may MREIT na ako. Currently, I have 14,400 shares. And kita nyo naman na talo ako sa MREIT, 16%. Ako nilang mag-a-adjust. Yan. 16% yung talo ko sa MREIT. Pero that's fine. Let's take a look at pre-open values. So, pre-open ng MREIT ay 13.96. Tingnan natin kung makabili tayo. And MREIT. Oops. Broker ko nga pala is AAA Equities. Ito yung second broker ko. Tingnan natin. Merong gustong bumili in bid sa quantity. 14.5, 13.8. Kano ba? 13. Sige, match na lang natin yung 13.8 ito. Magkano buying power ko? 56k. Maybe I'll do 30k. Average down lang. So let's do this one. 14.5. No, 30.8. Ayan. So magkano yung estimate? Hindi kailangan yan. 2,000. Kasama ba? Yan. 13.8. Nako, nagbago. Sige, punta natin to 13.8. Actually, hindi naman mahalaga masyado. So, gawin ko na lang 14. Para sure tayo makuha natin. Ay, wait. Bakit ako set? Should be 14. Then, 35,000. Let's do this. Net value 35. Let's buy MREIT. Confirm order. Okay, naka-queue na siya. Let's look. Ayun. Alright, filled. Ang bilis. Tingnan natin. MREIT. Ano ng average price ko? $13.6. $30.72. Okay. Not bad. Ayun. So, dinemonstrate ko lang kung paano ako bumili and bakit ako bumibili ng MREIT. Ba't ako bumili ng MREIT today? Average down lang siya. And that's it. Hindi ko na siya babantayan. 14. Nakapasok tayo at 14. Current price is 13.72. Masyado at mataas. Pero it doesn't really matter since it's long term. Siguro may iba kayong opinion kung masyadong mataas yung pagbili ko, pagpasok ko. But that's okay. Iba-iba yung strategy natin. So, hopefully this helps you guys. There's more of this kind of transparency in my in my old channel, in my main channel, Kuya Rap. So, if you're interested in a more structured kind of video, punta kayo sa Kuya Rap. Dito sa Kuya Rap Extra, mas mga raw videos, slightly edited, meron ding a little bit of vlogs in my personal life. So, anything na hindi pasok dun sa Kuya Rap, I put here in Kuya Rap Extra. 13.74 pa rin. MREIT. That's fine.